You were focused on what you had done, because you had just killed somebody. Right?
I'm sorry it happened. I'm so sorry.
Ms. Potter, from your reaction today, and from your reaction on your video, you didn't plan to use deadly force that day, did you?
No.
You didn't want to use deadly force, did you?
That's irrelevant. If she planned it or wanted it, it's a constructive fact.
The objection is overruled.
You can't.
No.
Because you knew that deadly force was unreasonable and unwarranted in those circumstances.
I didn't want to hurt anybody.
You didn't want to hurt anybody. And you didn't want to kill anybody.
No.
And that's why you said, I'm going to go to prison.
I don't.
That's 3 times now, Your Honor. Repetition.
All right. The objection is sustained.
Ms. Potter, you know the difference between left and right, don't you?
That's objective now. She's asked that before. It's argumentative.
It's not been asked, Your
The
Honor.
objection is sustained. It's argumentative.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Tell the jury what you remember about first seeing the white Buick on that day, approximately 2 p.m. And talk slowly.
Officer Lucky and I were driving south on Zane Avenue North. We were talking about pursuit policies, doing some regular FTO training, and he observed a vehicle in the turn lane with a blinker on inappropriately.
And was that the white Buick?
Yes.
And did you have a conversation with him about that?
Yes.
And what was that conversation?
We discussed a little bit of suspicious activity. He noticed a pine tree or air freshener hanging from the rearview mirror, and the tabs were expired.
And did you stop that vehicle?
Officer Lucky wanted to stop the vehicle, yes.
And let me ask you sort of a hypothetical. If you had been working alone that day on Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock, would you have stopped the vehicle for...
Objection, relevance, false speculation.
I can't even finish the question, Your Honor.
All right.
That's not fair. It's simply, they know how to try a lawsuit, I would think.
The objection is overruled. You may answer.
My question was, if you weren't with a field training officer that day and you were on patrol alone, would you have stopped that vehicle?
Most likely not.
And why not?
An air freshener to me is it's just an equipment violation. And during the COVID times, the high COVID times, the Department of Motor Vehicles was so offline that people weren't getting tabs, and we were advised not to try to enforce a lot of those things because the tabs were just not in circulation.
Okay. But you did stop the vehicle, right?
Yes, part of field training is that my probationer would make numerous contacts with the public throughout the day.
You're under arrest, Dante. Just stay back. You did?
Yes!
Okay.
I grabbed the wrong fucking I shot him! I shot him! Oh my god!
Okay. Kim, sit down. Okay.
Turning wrong on the residence, can you repeat your first three?
3205, we got shots fired. Start more units, please. We're going to need additional units to Noble and 63rd.
Just breathe.
Yep.
Are you okay? Just breathe.
Reaching 1970 at gunpoint, 63rd and Catherine Drive.
10-3, 1 at 6
Okay, Kim, take a breath, okay?
Just breathe.
Car injured as well. As soon as we get additional cars, I'll check for injuries. Suspects are not compliant. They're moving it.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Just
Emergency traffic from 1 on the unit.
Kim, that guy was trying to take off with me in the car.